In this video we are going to be analysing SAVA, so to get straight into it, what are the key resistances we're looking at if we continue higher? And from where we currently are, we have resistances at $27.75 and the $33.40, and you can see these were the levels that actually happened today. We kind of just went straight through this $27 resistance, but this $33 one is the one that kind of stopped it, and that's kind of slowed down its momentum, coming back to retest this $27, but we couldn't hold it, so you can see we continued selling off. So this may indicate that we are going to continue down, but firstly, again, we will still give you the resistance levels just in case we do continue up, and they're going to be at $38, $49, $51, $60, $69, and then $87.25. Obviously some of these are very far away, but we can be paying attention to the ones we really hit today, so the $27.75, the $33.50, and then if we're able to break through that high created today, then we're going to have a target of around $38.50. Now onto the support levels. Again, a bit more likely that we come into these levels owing to the fact that we broke back below our resistance level, and it returned into resistance as we tried to retest it, failed, and then started selling off. So if we continue down, what are going to be support levels we're looking at? So we can see the deviation levels are quite far away, being at $17 and $15. So how are we going to get levels a bit closer? Well, firstly, we can go over to the daily, see where this gap fill was created, and that was around this $20.50 mark. So this could definitely be a support level to be paying attention to, because gap fills usually do get filled. And we do also have a gap fill at $21.70. So again, another place to be looking at for support. But if you want some more levels to the support side, we can go onto a 20-day chart, but do note these levels are not going to be as strong as the ones I've just given you, because these levels change quicker. So really, unless you're seeing this video today, these levels may be weak. But we can see we do have a support at around $24.90, one we're actually testing right now, so we can see how that holds up. The next one being at $22.30, and kind of a final one being around $19.75. So we can see intraday we are currently now testing this $24.90 support, and so this can be the deciding factor on whether SAVA will continue up or down. Really, if we break below this level, come back, retest it, a bit like we did here, break below, retest, and fail, and like continue down, then we would expect a push to that next deviation being $22.30. However, if we bounce off this level, come and retest this $27.80 level. If we can break over, retest, and buying pressure kicks in, then we would expect a push back to around the $33 mark. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and you want to see another analysis video, why don't you check out this one right here.